I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. 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 Reminded of how I met you, tried to catch you falling. Instead I fell off myself and I just can't stop falling.
I come back. Did you miss me? Cause I definitely missed you. Anyway, morning guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Offensive Greatness. If you're new here, don't hesitate to like, comment and subscribe. And if you are a returning study, a regular taking up on this channel, thank you so much. You know, I love and appreciate you so much. Period. Today it is Saturday, the 27th of April, and it's a public holiday. That was so unnecessary. It's a public holiday. I'm quickly getting ready. I wanna go to the salon, and basically I forgot to put tone on my face just when but it's okay. It's okay. As I was saying, I wanna go to the salon and do my hair at 12 o'clock. I need to be at a church social. I was invited to a social, like a church social, so I need to go and do my hair and come back and get ready to go to the social. And I also need to go to what's this place, Legit, and go and get my package, like not package, like go and take out my lay-by. One thing about me, I will lay by, so I need to go and get my lay-by. I need to go and do my hair, come back, get ready again, because now I'm just gonna wear clothes to run errands. When I come back, I need to get ready and wear like comfortable clothes for the social. And yeah, so that is basically my plan for today, because tomorrow is church and I won't have time to do all of that. So yeah, let me do that. I was supposed to be at the salon by 8 o'clock. I was supposed to be at the salon by 8 o'clock. The time right now, it's 7:30. So from where I stay to the salon is like 3 minutes to 5 minutes walk, so I'm not too stressed about that. I need to be done by at least 10:30 at the salon, and then go to legit fetch the things, come back and get ready. So yeah, I'll see you once I finished showering, because I can't shower with you guys.
You want to leave on the photos? You see your girlfriend in there.
Good game. Good game. Good game, sis. Monopoly, Monopoly, Monopoly. Let's play Monopoly. Thank you.
It's a long-winded game, yo.
We'll show you.
Like no days off, so you can go with mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break?
All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in.
Good morning, vlog. Morning. Today it is the 1st of May, new month, and it's a public holiday. Can you guys tell it's gonna be a great month? Like, it's a public holiday. It's the 1st of the month. Literally. Anyway, I'm on my way to my nail appointment. I'm running like 2 minutes late, and guys, I can see why I decided today is the day that I'm gonna walk to the salon, because the girl is definitely unfit, but okay, it is what it is. I'm almost there, and yeah, I'm almost there. I'm just gonna do a refill because my nails are still fresh. None of them broke, so I'm just gonna do a refill. And tell me why I decided today is the perfect day for me to wear knitted clothes, because it is so hot, my child. If I tell you, oh my god, this dog. This dog was right behind me, and Sanamina, I'm scared of dogs. Yo, anyway, I looming over, I conquered. So, yeah, I'll see you when I get to the salon, guys. Yo,
Hold up, wait a second.
Tumelamba tuwaka. Good afternoon, guys. Yo, ngikhathele. Into ngiyikhathele ayina size. Today was a mission. If I can tell you that I walked the entire day. For what? I don't know. Like, akona lebaka why I decided to walk today. I could have just called the bald guy and just kept it going, but no. One thing about me, I like making my life difficult. But anyway, I'm done. The time right now is 5 o'clock. 5 p.m. I left here around 12:30. I was done doing my nails by 3, I think. And then guess what? I decided to go to KFC. Anyway, guys, here are my nails. They look super cute. Like, it's just a refill. And then now I'm gonna do a grocery haul and read this current book that I'm reading. This book just reminded me why I stopped reading romantic novels, because every chapter that I'm reading of that book, I'm just like, God, do these kind of men exist? Because personally, I keep meeting the pussiest nigga that Luca keeps referring Eva's men to. Because why? But nevertheless, the name of the book is Luca. I'll just put it here. Oh, that book, so nice, so nice. I love it. Like, for a change, I decided, let me start reading like something light, man, something light. So that is what I'm currently reading. Love it. Anyway, I went to ShopRite and I also went to Spa. I'm gonna do a grocery haul for you. So first things first, Spa. From Spa we got pork stew, chicken, and pork shank. That is what we got. Actually, from Snap we got meat, and then from ShopRite, knickknacks. Pasta, tomato paste, can of beans, some cheddar cheese, and ox liver. I'm gonna cook this tonight or tomorrow. Actually, yeah, tomorrow because I don't feel like cooking today. And then dishwashing liquid. I like the right brand one because it has like the peppermint flavor, the lemon flavor, and this flavor. So this one is antibacterial, and then they have peppermint and lemon. So I like this one and the peppermint. Jig. Sunlight, washing powder, and all on. Because last week I went to Food Lovers and Clicks. I bought most of the things, so this is just top up for this week. Anyway, that is it. That is what I bought. Very, very proud of myself. The only thing that I bought that I was not planning to buy was takeaways, but I was really hungry. Like, I ate in the morning, I ate eggs and bacon with coffee, and then by the time I was done with my nails, I was like really hungry. So I grabbed something real quick from KFC and then went to ShopRite and Spa. Guys, yesterday, Benkowa, like, yo, you know, sometimes you just go through a phase where like you just feel a void. I don't know, man. I was feeling like unaccomplished. I was feeling this void, like I had this void in me. I didn't want to talk to anyone. I didn't want to see anyone. But that's the tricky thing about adulting, because in the midst of what I was going through, I had to go to work. I had to put on a face. Your child. But I thank God today is a new month, it's a new day, and I'm feeling much lighter. So I'm very grateful. I'm very grateful. Like of late, my moods has just been up and down. I don't know, man. I don't know. And gape, banaba. Oh, like 2 blocks from my apartment, there's my neighbors. Okay, my neighbors. There's kids. Those kids, they like crying, and bangfayela nerves. But another thing, the thing that was stressing me, my phone just went blank. Like, one thing about this phone, I need to upgrade. Anyway, that's it for today. Hey, like, I'm not gonna vlog, I'm just gonna edit, read my book, and call it a day. See y'all on tomorrow's Thursday. I'm not vlogging. Friday, I'm not vlogging. See y'all on Saturday. Yeah.